Hi, my name is Danish, and today we are going to talk about the most important topic in physics, I think so. That is speed, velocity, and acceleration. So first of all, what is speed? Speed is a rate at which an object covers the distance regardless of direction. So its type is scalar because it only has a magnitude. It doesn't have a direction. Formula is speed is equal to distance over time. SI units for speed is meter per second or kilometer per hour. For example, a car traveled 120 kilometers in 2 hours. So what is the speed? So speed is equal to total distance, that is 120 kilometer divided by 2, that is 60 kilometer per hour. There is no direction is specified in this question. So this is a speed. So now we will talk about the velocity. So first of all, we will talk about what is velocity. Sorry. Velocity is a speed with important thing with a specific direction. That is the most important thing in velocity. Velocity and speed has just one thing which is not common, that speed doesn't have direction, but velocity has a specific direction. Uh, Type is vector. Because why it is vector? Because it has direction and magnitude, whereas speed only has magnitude. SI units are meter per second or kilometer per hour. So what is the formula for velocity? The formula is velocity is equal to displacement over time. What is the difference between displacement and distance? Distance doesn't have a specific direction, whereas displacement has. So, so for example, a bus moves 100 meter in north direction. Okay, direction is given in how much seconds? In 20 seconds. So how we are going to solve it? We have the displacement and we have the time. So velocity is equal to, that is displacement is 100 divided by 20, that is equal to 5 meter per second in north direction. That is all about velocity. So now we will talk about acceleration. So what comes to your mind when you think about acceleration? So you know that when you press a pedal on a car, it will accelerate. It will increase its velocity. So acceleration is simply, the definition of acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Its units are, SI units are meter per second square. So it is also dependent on velocity, so it is a vector quantity. For example, the form for, first we will talk about the formula. So acceleration is equal to final velocity. I will write the full formula. That is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Or we can write acceleration is equal to v, which represent final velocity, minus u, which represent initial velocity, divided by time, t. For example, a car speeds up a car speeds up from 0 to 10 meter per second in 2 seconds. So what is the acceleration? So simply we will put the values. Acceleration would be equal to what is final velocity, that is 10 meter per second. What is initial velocity, that is 0, divided by 2, that would be equal to 5 meter per second square. That's all about today's lecture. If you want to take online classes, I am available. My number is 0923703511124 and my email is tanisirfantI5 of gmail.com. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next lecture.